This is amazing. What was the address?
Lampikatu 22.
Lampikatu.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is the Stekes anyway.
Yeah.
Ja. Die beste is voor 123 grams. Maybe in the pictures. And was built in 1974, finished in 1975. It's also in Heinola, the region of Finland. Super restricted for so far. Of course. What's this? Just have to hold it lower.
Yeah. I don't like that controller, it's quite common
No.
in this.
Yeah, I know.
Discutiitpaakin mä ensin pitänyt meidän paisua hissurakointiin.
There was in some MP8 in Hyvinkää, I think, where it was the same problem.
Yeah.
Somewhere it has been. Yeah, it happens also in some of the machinery too.
Yeah.
Alright, well that's it. Thanks for watching.
That's